Well, time for a smoke. Time for a smoke. Say hello to the Smokebox. Let's get our footing here. Looks pretty clean. It's the Smokebox. That structure up in front there, hanging from the ceiling, is the blast pipe to stack. That's a blower ring, presumably. Helps make artificial draft when the engine's sitting still. Normally this would be locked down. Well, I think this is what I'm going to be working on today. It looks pretty clean. Maybe. I don't know. We'll have to climb in, but I can't do it safely while taking video.